Hey designers, let's quickly create this text animation in After Effects. Start by creating a new document. Now use the Type tool to write your text. I'm going to write Ace Designs. Let's scale this text down a bit. Okay, I've added a white stroke to it with no fill. Make any necessary adjustments, including font choice and stroke weight, to your liking. After that, select the text layer and press S for scale. Add a keyframe to the scale property by clicking on the stopwatch icon next to scale. Okay, now move forward 20 frames. You can use the shortcut Shift plus Control plus right arrow key to do this quickly. Now add a blank keyframe here. Go back to the previous keyframe and scale it down. Let's preview the animation now. Okay, let's trim the timeline so that our animation plays only within this range. Adjust the timeline bars slightly to the right to slow down the animation a bit. Now, go to Effects and Presets and search for Echo. Drag and drop it onto the text layer. Alright, let's navigate to Effects and open the Echo option. From here, you can adjust the values as needed. Let's modify the echo time to -0.1 and increase the number of echoes to 25. Now, let's adjust the effect opacity under compositing options by lowering it. After lowering the opacity, let's preview the animation. Now, regarding the anchor point, using the Pan Behind Anchor Point tool, you can move the anchor point to the bottom center. This will make the animation start from this point. You can experiment with these adjustments to create various text animations. I'll move the anchor point to the bottom center for now. And that's it, your text animation is complete. Align it vertically and horizontally on the document. And yes, you can adjust the timing by moving the keyframes accordingly. Let's play the animation again. Great! If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.